Good morning, children. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to see the next part of lesson number 17, that is effects of light. In last period we have studied about the eclipses, and there are two types, that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. I think everyone have understood this part. So today we are going to see the next parts, that is zero shadow day. The day on which the sun reaches exactly overhead is called the zero shadow day. On that day at noon, shadows completely disappear. This event can only be seen in the region between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This event occurs in summer on different days in different places in this region. So what is meant by zero shadow day? The day on which sun reaches exactly on overhead. Yes, so that is called the zero shadow day. And on that day the shadow completely disappear. On that day shadow completely disappear. Okay, now always remember, an eclipse is a natural phenomenon. An eclipse is a natural phenomenon. Many superstitions connected to eclipse are prevalent in the society. It is necessary that everyone makes effort to rid the society of superstitious beliefs. In our society there are many superstitious things are there related to eclipse, but it is a natural phenomena. Okay, only the changes are occur in the atmosphere, so we have to take care of that, because in this eclipse there is a some microorganisms are there in the atmosphere, so that only we have to take care. There is a some growth of microorganisms, that only we have to take care. But the so many different unnecessary superstitions are there, that we have to stop. Just we have to take care. Okay, now think and discuss why it is not right to tie lemon chili to our car. Have you observed in your home also, at the gate of the house they are tying the lemon chili, or for car, for bicycle they are tying a lemon chili. Is it a right thing to tie it? Yes. Is it a right? Because of lemon and chili, is it our house get protected? Because of lemon and chili, is it the car get protected? No, it is a superstitious belief only. Only because of lemon chili the whole big house not get protected. So this is a superstitious belief only. So it is a not right thing. Now second one, in our surrounding and in day-to-day life, we unknowingly believe in many such things. Is that right? So unknowingly in our surrounding we are believing the so many superstitious things. For example, suppose while we are walking and the cat pass away in front of us, then we are thinking, now the cat has passed away, is it our work has done or not? Yes or no? Then it is a superstitious belief only. Because of cat our any work has not done, it is not, there will be no any relation, there will be no any relation or connection also. So that is the so many things are there in our surrounding that we are following. So these are not a right thing. Okay, so these all superstitious beliefs we have to stop it. For better understanding the zero shadow day, just see one activity.
Let us place this hollow PVC pipe here. We will use flashlight of mobile phone to create a shadow. Shadow appears on either side of the line as I move the flashlight. If I move the flashlight exactly above the pipe, I cannot see the shadow. I can put this pipe on a transparent sheet and get the same result. This time, I see a circle below when flashlight is exactly above the pipe. Something like this happens in real life as well. We see shadows all the time. but they appear sideways at noon except for 2 days in a year. These 2 days are called zero shadow day, a day when shadow disappears for some time at noon. Why it happens? We will see later. Let us do the setup first. We'll fix these cycle spokes to the wooden base and place acrylic sheet on it. We'll take some hollow shapes and place it on the top. Let us watch shadows as sun moves above us. On the zero shadow day, based on the location when the sun is exactly at the top, you will see a full circle as shadow of a pipe. You can do your setup with these everyday things as well. Outside, it is always advisable to wear chappals or shoes and put cap on your head. You can take help of other shadows as well while you are watching this. Now let us explore why it happens only twice a year. As you know, Earth is rotating around Sun and around itself as well. Its axis is tilted by 23.5 degrees. This is the reason for seasons and Sun shifting positions as it rises and sets every day. Sun rises at different time and location as well throughout the year. In this simulation, you can see how shadow changes at noon throughout the year. You can enter your location and try it out yourself.
The lesson number 17, that is effects of light. I think everyone have understood this part. So complete your CW and journal properly. Okay. Thank you.